こんにちは、Yukiko です。Today I'd like to show you making soup out of this rice cooker. It's very simple and it's also safe because you don't need heat. Okay, let's get started. Okay. I'm gonna get potatoes, carrots. I've already cut it. This daikon radish. Onion. These are scallions. And garlic. Radish, onion, potato, scallion, using this leftover bone, beef bone. This was the other night's T-bone steak.
Put about 4 cups of water in a pot. Well, it depends on how much ingredients you put in a pot.
And dashi pack.
Okay, let's put the pot in a rice cooker. Close the lid and press start. It takes about 45 to 60 minutes to cook. Well, after this, you can add salt and pepper, and if you like, some soy sauce to flavor in, and it's done. You can use any vegetables you like or any ingredients you like, and this is very easy and saves you a lot of time. So, thanks for watching.